Hey guys, another video for you today, this time to highlight the admin functionality inside of the new 2018 version of MediaBeacon. Getting into the admin section remains unchanged. You'll still go to Manage, System to get in. Once you're in the admin section, you'll notice that you can filter and search in the admin section the same way you do assets in the user section. You're able to navigate to users, groups, fields, metaforms, and loading dock types from the top menu. You're also able to sort and filter in the columns. For instance, if I'm looking for group membership, everyone who is in demo, I can do that right here, click search, and it'll filter. I can also look at users' primary group, and so on. So for instance here, and I can type in now Chris, and I've got type ahead here as well, and then of course, my results. Once you go into a user, you'll notice the same fields as you remember from previous versions. They just now look like you're filling out a metaform. And if you're manually creating a user, you can go to Create, User, and fill out the form and click Create. The new format is extremely helpful, especially if you have hundreds of fields to manage inside of the system. You can now easily search for fields just like you did users, and of course filter by them as well. All of the information about the fields are in a form when you click on it. If you make any changes, update the field, and it's done. Let's see how to work with forms. Let's create a new one. We'll give it a name. And now you're able to add fields. Continue to add fields as necessary, then click Create. You can edit the form anytime by clicking it again, making changes, and clicking Update Metaform. And that's the new look and feel of MediaBeacon 2018 System Settings page or Admin page. Feel free to post any other questions in the comments page. Thanks for watching.